What's up, everybody? This is Car Ninja coming back at you. Just want to show you a project car I just picked up. It's a 2011 Volkswagen GTI, and it's the 2-liter with a DSG. Now I picked this up for a pretty good price. It was $2,200, but it needs a lot of work. And as you can see on the top of my tow vehicle here, there's the exhaust. Whoever took the engine out of it removed the entire exhaust system for whatever reason. I don't know, but let me just show you around it real quick. I'll be making a few videos on this, but I just wanted to shoot a quick one while I just got home. I just literally just pulled back in with it. We drove about 200 miles in Nashville, Tennessee. The interior is in good shape, but as you can see, whoever took it apart put everything inside. They didn't need to take this much stuff apart, but they did. This is probably why they couldn't figure out how to fix it. And look at all the stuff in the back seat. I gotta figure out where all that stuff goes. It's in pretty good shape though. Here's the rest of the parts. I think there's a few grease stains on the seat over here, which I'll probably just get a whole new seat, but the back of the seat's in great shape. Here's the passenger seat. We'll do a little walk around on this side. Has 2 brand new Michelin Pilot Super Sports on it. I mean, as you can see, they're full tread. Now there's no rust on this thing. As you can see, this is a really clean bodied car. There's no rust on it or anything. I've wanted one of these ever since they came out, and I don't like taking loans out for cars, so I figure I'd just wait until I find one that needs some work and buy it. I'll show you underneath. It's virtually rust free. I mean, it looks brand new under there. All right, the front is pretty clean as well. There's one spot right there, and then there's one spot on the fender that's damaged. Nothing too severe though. All right, as you can see, whoever removed the engine just took the whole thing out, and for whatever reason they just pulled the wires out and they just broke them. So I'll have to repair that. But as you can see from my vehicles in the driveway, I only really drive Volkswagens, and this is kind of my specialty, so I have enough parts laying over to fix the harness at least. But I'll just solder it up, and I'll probably make a video on that, how to solder those wires up. There you go. That's it, guys. I'll be making a couple videos on this thing, and hopefully we'll be driving within a month or so.